My nightstand is looking a bit boring, so I'm going to crochet this gingham desk mat to add some more personality there. This is my first project for my 26 projects for 2026 series. The tutorial is by Milk Tea Bag. I'll leave the link to the exact video in the description box if you also want to crochet it too. Picking out which yarn color combo I wanted for this was actually so hard, and I couldn't land on one for like the longest time. And then the one I ended up with and picked out was actually my first mistake. Oh, really quick, I had to finish sewing the flower appliques onto this hat that I made like weeks ago and never finished. So as a whole, I ended up actually making 3 mistakes with this pattern. The first one was the colors of yarn I chose, because instead of it turning out gingham at the end, I'll show you, I promise, it turned out checkered. And honestly, I should have known, but I had really high hopes that it would turn out a bit more floral like how I saw in my head, but unfortunately that is just not what happened. I promise it still turned out super duper cute, but I don't plan on actually putting it on my little nightstand anymore. I am actually going to make a second one to put on my nightstand because I'm going to do like a few, what do you call them? Little, not quirks, but I'm going to like fix a few of my mistakes that I made with this first one. On to my second mistake. It was not single crocheting or even slip stitching. I could have done that as well around the edges of the finished project before doing my scallop edge, but that is on me and not on Milk Tea Bag, because I followed her tutorial like exactly. So it still turned out really cute, but I'm just a bit picky when it comes to my stuff. A perfectionist, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, it would have made it look so much cleaner and a bit easier when making the scallops. But here I'm showing you like it did not turn out the way that I thought it would. I thought it would turn out floral and it turned out checkered. I'm not mad, but the next one I will actually be picking 3 different colors. My edges all look straight here for the scallop edge, which is what I'm about to do next. I also switched my crochet hook size. I went down a smaller size to do the scallops. As for my third mistake, it wasn't necessarily a mistake, but more of a preference, and you'll see this in a little bit, but the corners are not cornering. And I don't know if that makes sense. I plan on making another, but I think what I'll do a bit differently is instead of skipping 2 stitches, I will only skip 1 stitch instead of 2. But we'll see, because that may not actually work. We'll see how it goes, but I'm excited to actually make a gingham. This is Coco. When I was done, she sat on my lap for a little bit, and then we ordered chicken nuggets and watched Fallout. Honestly, it looked really cute under my chicken nuggets.